Welcome to OZTV. Here we talk about everything that you need to know. We talk about family, we talk about relationships, we talk about children, homes. We talk about virtually everything. So I want you to subscribe, like, comment, click on the notification bell for more videos coming up, and watch out for a new show coming up called Spit It All. Thank you. Hello everyone and welcome to OZTV. My name is Uzioma Anajiku and today we're talking about insurance and its benefits. So with me in the house is Mr. Mohammed Awuni. You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
Okay, we're talking about insurance and its benefits, okay? So please, can you just give me an explanation of what an insurance is in your own terms?
Okay, in my own terms.
Yes. Just so that they can understand. Just break it down as possible.
Okay, well, if you're talking about in my own terms, it might be a little bit, not that, it might be ambiguous, you understand?
No, we don't want it ambiguous, please.
So let me not
make
use
it
my
as
own
simple
term.
as
Let me use the layman's
possible.
term.
Exactly, thank you.
Okay, in a simple term, insurance is what you buy with your money in order not to lose money.
Okay.
You understand? I think
As
that's
simple as that.
simple
You
as
buy
that.
an insurance not to lose money.
Yeah.
Okay. What are the different types of insurance that we have?
Okay. Categorically, insurance is often comes in two forms.
Okay.
We have the life insurance. We also have the non-life insurance, which is often referred to the general insurance. You
Okay.
understand? Then, under these categories, we have the subcategories. You
Okay.
understand? Like the life insurance, we have the term life insurance, we have the old life insurance, and we have other coming beneath it.
Okay.
For the general insurance, then basically when you talk about life insurance, we are looking at the particular policies you buy, okay, where you say at the maturity you want to get your sum assured or sum covered. You understand? And if anything happens before then, death especially, you understand, the policy automatically matures.
Oh.
Do you understand? Yeah.
Okay.
Regardless of when
It was supposed to be due.
regardless of when it was supposed to be due, as long as the policy is active.
Okay.
I mean, put that. So, life insurance, that's how it works. So, we also have things that comes on it, which includes the health insurance and all that. But for the general insurance, it's more of non-properties. You understand? Yes, this is where we have your vehicle insurance, I mean your car insurance,
Yeah.
there's motor insurance, we have the marine, we have fire,
Okay, for
for
home or whatever.
homes, yeah, for theft, like even for your vehicle.
Okay,
Maybe
yeah.
in case
Yeah.
it's stolen,
Okay.
as long as there is a verifiable evidence, the
That
insurance,
is insured.
that is, as long as it's insured and there is verifiable evidence, the insurance gets you another one. So, and we have so many other form of
Insurance.
general insurance.
Okay. So, there are different kinds of benefits. I'm sure that a lot of people will want to know the kind of benefits that they can get when they get an insurance or when they buy insurance.
Okay, yeah, of course. Insurance benefit, let me say the benefit of insurance, basically it can never be overemphasized. We can keep telling you about the benefit from now
Till next year.
but let me just summarize it in, insurance benefit comes majorly in three categories. You understand? It comes in form of the individual benefits, it's come in front of the organizational benefit, like for businesses and all that. It also has the benefits to the society as generally. Do you understand?
Okay.
So simply put, let me just pick few of the benefits for individual aspects. You know, one of the beautiful benefits of insurance, and we have this very common benefit whereby when once you get indemnified when there's an accident occur or something, you understand. Other benefits that tends to reward individuals basically is we have the economical benefit. When we're talking about the economic benefit, we are also talking about your personal finances.
Yeah.
You understand? You have insurance, maybe you're doing just a contributional plan, or even we don't usually use this term. There's something we call funeral insurance. You understand? Rather than calling it funeral insurance, because Nigerians we don't like
be
the
like
word.
funeral. It's like you're wishing death upon
Thank
them.
you. So we just usually call it a life insurance, but basically we know this is
What
what
it's
it's meant
for.
Now, foreign rights insurance is just like the insurance you can pick for your old age relatives.
So you don't stress your family members.
Basically, you pay monthly. You might be paying just something less than 2,000 naira, 3,000 naira monthly basis for these people. If any of them dies, you don't have to find funds from maybe where you're already budgeted for business or something. You understand? The sum assured will simply be paid to you as long as immediately that happens. You provide the evidence, death certificate, and few other things, and you get paid. You understand? So you are not, the fund is not coming out from you. That's, I'm just talking about some of the benefits to individuals. Do you understand?
Okay.
Now, aside that, we also have the contributional benefit. It encourages contribution. You understand? I think this is more common to with individuals. When you ask many people the kind of insurance they do, they tell you they are having a contributional plan. What that means is at the end of the policy, they get the funds back. Do you understand?
Yeah.
At the maturity, they get the funds. In fact, there are some level of permission where you can get your funds before the maturity. You understand? So it depends on the agreement you signed with the insurance company, the insurer. So this has helped a lot of people to achieve a lot of things. You understand? We have people that have started, they are not married, but they started planning for their children with educational plan. We have people who have started contributing for wedding. Some people want to go to school. Some people just want to keep something aside for emergency purpose or just for future purpose. Some people want to buy property, they want to build house, they want to buy land. If I tell you the way people have been doing contribution, just see things happen. Whereas these things we achieve just with little token they drop every month. So this has it is so beautiful with our banking system. They are able to do what we call the standing order, where automatically, as long as the account is funded, the money goes there every month. So you don't have to be reminded all the time by your financial advisor. So this has helped a lot of people to achieve a lot of things. If I tell you the story, they may not be timeless. The man is a doctor, the wife is a trader, and came to the branch one day and was like, "Hey, I do get a lot every month. You guys debit my account. So I have a policy here. I want to know how much I have in that policy because my child wants to go to school and we have minimal funds."
Okay.
The woman already brought out what she has and it's like the husband should get. But at the point, everything was just not. You still remember that these funds there is a particular debit he gets every month. He signed up for that thing for close to 5 years. Ask him when he got there. When his balance was checked for him, just started hugging everybody.
He didn't believe it. The kind of money that he saved, I believe that.
He started hugging everybody, like, wow. And he now started preaching to us on why it is important to drop a token every day or every month. You understand? Yeah. He said, no matter how small it is, please drop it just to keep something. I don't know what they were like. The only painful thing was that we didn't document the exact rate. It was so beautiful. Wow. So many people have seen it as an avenue to cultivate a saving culture. And that's another benefit for individual insurance benefits. We still have a couple of others, you understand, like, when you're talking about you have a goal which you feel like, like you want to share a risk, for instance. You have a business and all that, you feel like, no, you don't want to share this risk alone. You understand? You can pick up an insurance. And the goal of insurance is for you not to work alone. You understand? So you're not working alone. It's a benefit on you. Something happened with the little token you have paid. You understand? Then when we're talking about the organizational benefit, basically, even the fact that we have many insurance companies now already tell you that this has helped with employability. Like it has helped many people get jobs, get employment. Do you understand? The more insurance company we have, the more people get jobs.
Yeah, that's a global thing.
Beautiful. Now, another benefit for the organizational benefit is the fact that it makes work go smoothly. Ask me how.
How?
You need to check when you get an insurance cover for your staff. You understand, they are working and they know they have insurance cover. Maybe you have somebody that runs around like a rider and he knows he has a cover. If anything happens to him, something is going to be given to him. You understand? Maybe for accident, maybe to his family or to him. The way he's going to work will be different from somebody.
He will be more diligent.
More committed to the work. You understand? The same requires with every other member. Like they have something health insurance, and you understand? So the motivation is usually different. You just because they know that they are getting a level of sense of belonging.
Not all businesses. I don't think a lot of business are aware of this kind of insurance because it's not really spoken about like that. The major insurance type that a lot of people discuss are the vehicle insurance, the life insurance, the educational insurance, all those, major ones. But this one now is like, a lot of people have businesses. Very hardly you see someone in a family that doesn't own a business. You understand? So this one is really, really something that people need to look into.
That's the fact, and that's one of the challenges we are having here. You understand? Like with insurance in Nigeria still suffers a lot because
people don't actually believe in insurance because
they are not aware of the benefits also. You understand?
Even the negative, they look more of the negatives. Okay, let me give you an instance now. Most times in the vehicle insurance, they always pay for to cover the vehicle. But at the end of each year, because they have to renew it every year annually, so at the end of each year, and they don't incur any accident.
Sure.
Do you understand? Next year, you have to pay another one. So it's kind of discouraging for them. They'll be like, it's like they're just giving you the money. They don't look at it like you're doing that. The insurance company is actually doing, anything. So I need you to shed more light on that because I'm sure that a lot of people are really looking at insurance company as more taking more from them than giving back.
It's like an unfair deal.
Yes.
Yeah, I get what you're saying exactly. This is a kind of concern we also have. You understand? Like, obviously, nobody wants to feel cheated.
Exactly.
But there's something we need to understand when we're talking about insurance. As I told you earlier, insurance is a form of cooperative. Do you understand? When you come into the insurance platform, you know that you are telling us that if anything happens to me, with the little I've paid, please support me with a huge amount.
Exactly.
And if anything happens to any of those in the pool that are doing the same thing, please support them with what I have contributed and all that. You understand? So that is why even that is why at the end of the policy, people don't get anything back. You understand? Though, because researches keep going on, and there are other form of insurance that are coming to address that. That is why we have the Takaful system. You know, the Takaful system feels the plight of majority of people that feels, no, this is cheating. Do you understand? That's why it's saying, okay. So this system is telling you that, okay,
just after the Takaful.
Yeah, the Takaful system is telling you that we are going to be declaring a surplus. Do you understand? Usually, at the end of the maturity of financial year, we have a kind of annual general meeting where profits realized or losses, everything is declared. Here, we are able to tell you that, okay, this is the profit we realized. If there's any profit, usually we expect to get profit, we distribute it proportionately on every participant. You understand? Though the distribution can come in different forms. It could be in cash, it could be in form of reduced subsequent premium.
Okay.
You understand? Different ways, depends on which the company.
How you arrange for it.
I need to have this. At times, based on the will of the NICOM, it can be advised that no, this surplus should be added back to the company. Probably the company has made some loss and they feel like you declaring profit is not enough. So at this point, just to go and add it to you. So it depends on what the arrangement comes in by the regulator or the insurance firm. Do you understand?
Okay. So I little bit digressed when you were talking about benefits.
Okay.
You know, so you were trying to educate us on the benefits of the society. You know, before I digress.
Yeah.
So
okay,
please.
Good. For the society benefits, it comes in different form also. Like for instance, it helps. It encourages foreign trade. Do you understand? For instance, when foreigners know that you have a working insurance system in your country, for instance, they
would like to
invest in your company, in your economy.
Yeah.
Because, for instance, the marine businesses you have a cover for it. They believe, even if they are sending goods and you are sending also, this thing is covered, and if there's any loss, somebody is paying for it rather than the business just going like that. So they would also be willing to do business with you. Do you understand? Another thing about the society benefit is that insurance reduces inflation. Yeah, one of the things that causes inflation. You know, inflation is not something we should encourage.
Exactly.
You understand? When inflation is high, everything becomes expensive, and what usually triggers inflation is when we have so much funds available. You understand? So automatically when funds becomes very available, things go high.
Yeah.
So insurance, when you the funds we take from people, it reduces the number of the amount of funds available. So somehow it helps reduce inflation. It helps balance things up. Do you understand?
Okay.
So and there are still other ways that insurance serves
The
the society. Do you understand? I don't know if I
Yeah.
have the time to.
Because if you start mentioning there are another 1001 benefits, you know. So, but we are going to leave that aside so we don't cut into our time.
Okay.
So, but please, can you tell us, like, you know, the level of acceptability by individuals, by people, towards getting an insurance?
Okay.
As
Are you talking
in
about
Nigeria or
Okay, I was going to ask if the name for the world or Nigeria. Okay,
Yeah.
in Nigeria, I wish to cover my face.
yeah. We are all guilty of it.
It's a pathetic figure. You understand?
But you know, the country, I think they don't really make us understand the benefits.
I'm
If it's
going
a
to
country
comment. Let me, as it stands,
Mhm.
usually we know the people that take insurance more are the adults and the percentage of those that take insurance in Nigeria today
Mhm.
among the working class is less than 2.5%.
Are you serious?
Pretty serious. I'm
That's
giving you
more.
a report just last month. The last month was in June or
July.
Okay, so that's going to be like 2 months ago. Well, the report is still telling us we have like 1.8%
Wow.
people covered by insurance. So it's so
It's really
poor.
poor.
So poor. So that's to tell you that we have a long way to go.
We really do. Wow, the rate is really, really poor. You know? Well, what do you think can be the thing responsible for such a low
beautiful.
ratio?
Yeah, beautiful. That's one of the things you said. One of the concerns why we have that poor figure subscription to insurance is people are less educated. Do you understand?
Okay.
People are less educated. They
About
don't know
insurance.
about insurance. They don't know what insurance stands to benefit them. Do you understand? We have also the fact that people, and to be fair to the participant, people are also, the confidence in taking insurance is dropping in this part of the world. Yeah, because for different reasons. There's some people believe when it comes to paying claims, some insurance companies give excuses and all that. Do you understand? So some people feel like, it's not worth it. Some people will even tell you, I've met people who tell me how they were deprived of claims when they needed to get claims. Do you understand? So in fairness, these are some of the plight of people.
Yeah.
Another thing is, Nigeria, we know we are very religious.
Yes.
You sound very religious. And you see, you walk to people, they tell you, come on, take insurance. So, my life is insured.
In
I'm
Jesus
covered
Christ.
with the blood of Jesus. You know all those things. I hear it so many times, and you understand. So they just smile and try to let
I have
the
the
person know that,
the final insurance.
you get all those things. So it cuts across. There are so many reasons why this is affecting us. Do you understand?
Yeah.
But we are working towards, and another thing is, we need to see how the government can support the insurance more. We need proper, adequate legislation where people would. We have, so far we have at least it's not that bad. We have some legislation that we need which compel people to take insurance.
Okay.
You understand? Like some insurance are basic, you have to take it. You understand? Unfortunately, our people still don't comply. Even the ordinary third party, vehicle insurance, for a third party is a compulsory insurance. That's why if you are found not having a third party insurance,
That's
you
a
deserve to
problem.
be prosecuted.
Yeah.
Just like what would you call it? There are some other, like for your staff, they deserve to get
Coverage.
yeah, they deserve to have the coverage as long as they're having about 3 staff or you should be giving them the coverage. Do you understand? So when we need the government to see how this
Can be implemented.
can be enforced.
Yeah.
Yeah, can be enforced so that people will take it more seriously. And I tell you the number of vehicles on the road today. Let's say out of the last report I was reading, out of about 12 million vehicles on the road.